Late singer Zubeen Garg के fans ने block किया highway in Jorhat for hours demanding change in the funeral venue. आपको बता दें, असम के चीफ मिनिस्टर ने कहा है कि the singer's body was not in a condition to be taken to Jorhat and again brought back to Guwahati for cremation. तो वहीं पर fans of Zubeen Garg reportedly blocked the national highway in Assam's Jorhat for several hours on Sunday, demanding his mortal remains to be brought to the city where the singer, who died due to drowning in Singapore last week, spent his formative years. आपको बता दें, जुबीन गर्ग की डेथ हुई इन सिंगापुर while swimming in the sea on Friday, a day before he was scheduled to perform at the Northeast India Festival. Zubeen Garg के mortal remains को लाया गया in Delhi on Sunday and it was received by Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma. The body was later flown to Guwahati where thousands turned up on the roads to pay their last respects. जुबीन गर्ग के सडन डिमाइज से हर कोई है काफी ज्यादा शॉक में। तो वहीं पर amid demands for cremation in Jorhat or at least bringing the mortal remains one last time there, the Assam Chief Minister said that the singer's body was not in a condition to be taken there and again brought back to Guwahati for cremation. Jorhat की पुलिस ने पोस्ट किया एक ट्रैफिक एडवाइजरी on X handle in the early hours of Monday, saying the National Highway 37 NH37 was blocked near Ajanta bypass just before entering Jorhat town from west. तो वहीं पर the Chief Minister informed that Zubeen Garg will be cremated with full state honours on September 23 at Kamarkuchi NC village near Guwahati. The Assam Chief Minister said that Zubeen Garg's wife Garima Sakia Garg and sister Pamela pointed out that it would not be possible for his 85-year-old ailing father to go to Jorhat for the last rites, and even later during anniversaries or rituals it would be difficult for the family to go there. तो वहीं पर जुबीन गर्ग के क्रीमेशन की बात करें तो इट वाज टेकन ड्यूरिंग अ कैबिनेट मीटिंग कंसिडरिंग द फैमिलीज विश दैट हिज लास्ट राइट्स बी परफॉर्म्ड एट अ प्लेस इन और अराउंड गुवाहाटी। तो वहीं पर असम के चीफ मिनिस्टर ने कहा, 3 of my cabinet colleagues रानुज पेगू, केशव महंता and Bimal Bora and also a delegation of all Assam Students Union AASU had discussed the matter with his wife and she had conveyed the family's decision to hold the last rites in Guwahati. Besides, Zubeen Garg had lived in Guwahati for the most part of his life. He said, adding that his ashes will be immersed in Jorhat, respecting the sentiments of the people of the city. We, however, respect the sentiments of the people of Jorhat, with the cabinet deciding that his ashes will be immersed there and a memorial will be built there, CM Sarma said. Sarma informed that a memorial will also be built at the place where he will be cremated near Guwahati.